Okay, so let's show you guys how to use Visily to link to your Facebook group. You are going to go to Google and your browser and search Visily, create yourself an account, and then after you create yourself an account, then you can either create your own template or you can upload a template into Visily that's been given to you. So we're going to go with a template that's already there. If you're given a template code to use, then what you do is you click here to import template and you put the code in there. If you have a template that you're already using and you want to share that template, then what you do is go here and you click this share button. All right, so we're back to planning and then the Facebook templates. So your templates are all right here. Well, or your templates will be loaded right there. Once you've loaded a template, you're going to go into the activities for the Facebook activities. Go to groups because you can only track Visily to a group. And then what you're going to do next is you're going to hit track a group. We're going to track that group. Now that we've got that group tracked, you can track one per month for free. If you want to track more per month, it's a paid subscription. It's only $10 a month. Okay, so we've tracked that group now. And I'm sorry, let me find it. It's probably at the top. It's probably, no. There it is. I'm going to click open group. This is where you're going to turn your Visily posting on. So Visily is basically just loading the script that you would copy and paste and then schedule into Facebook. It's doing that for you. I'm going to come down here to use a template. I'm going to click here. I'm going to select the template that I'm using, and I'm going to use my party script. The really nice thing is that you can use templates that you have shared from with other people, you know, like as a group. And I'm going to set the date and time that I want my party to run. Posts that might be already scheduled into the group are going to be there, and I'm going to import all posts. I'm going to load the template. Okay, so as you can see here, you could delete multiple posts if you needed to. You can click in here and edit things. And then down at the bottom, you can, when you click on this, it's going to show you how to replace different things. In these greater than or less than symbols, as you have pre-made these party links, or maybe somebody has pre-made a party for you, it's going to prompt you to fill this in with the information. So I'm going to use my notes feature where I am then using, a jot form for this order for this particular party. So I'm going to copy that, come back to Visily, and I'm going to paste that in. So it just automatically filled that, and it's going to update that anywhere in the party that it's asking for that missing thing. And then right here, my host name is Holly, so I'm going to update it to that. And there you go. It's going to update that into that script. Okay, now we need to make sure that we have Facebook ready for our party. So I'm going to open a new screen. I'm going to go to Facebook. I am going to go to Holly's group on Facebook, and I'm going to go to this More button. I'm working on my computer. I almost always, that's not what I wanted to do. I almost always work on my computer because for me personally, it feels like I'm at work then. I'm going to go down to Add Apps. These places are all probably a little bit different if you're not working on your computer. Sorry, spinning wheel here. But you'll get the gist. We're going to search for Visily because we need to add Visily as an app to Facebook so that Facebook knows to use it. That's it. Scroll down to the bottom of Facebook. Why is it not letting me do that? There we go. And save. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so now that's all set. And so I'm going to minimize that screen. Okay, so we've got this is all set to go. And now our posts are ready to go. We have replaced our text. We've set our date for the party. If at any time I want to go in here and change anything, I can. I just hit edit, edit. I can speed up or delete a post or any number of different things. And right here we go. I'm going to hit that. Are you sure I want to post this to this group? I sure do. Continue. And they're all scheduled. So it tells me in 2 days, 22 hours, and 3 minutes, the first post is going to post. And that is how it works.